Hello, my name is Louise Gibbs and I'm here to talk about keeping focused and motivated while social distancing. For me, it's my goals and hobbies that keep me focused and motivated, but the recent restrictions have made this harder. Sport has been one challenge. Previously, this mainly involved badminton and swimming, but this is no longer possible because all leisure centres and gyms are shut. In the UK, we're still allowed to go outside once a day to get exercise as long as we stay at least 2 metres away from anybody. So I've been going out jogging. This other weekend, I ran 5 kilometres for the first time. I'm a very slow runner. It took me 42 minutes, which may be slow for some, but I'm really pleased with this, and I'm definitely sure I'll improve. Sewing is another favourite hobby of mine, but I can't buy fabric. So I've started using up my collection of fabric scraps, bits of ribbon I've found, buttons, things like that. And I'm decorating this denim jacket. I bought this for a few quid from a charity shop a few months ago. And I've been adding my own little things to it. Here we go, some stars I've been decorating and sewing on with bits of ribbon I found. I sewed this flower on there, and I've done this. So I'm not sure how this is going to end up. I'm sort of making it up as I go along. I haven't really got a plan here, but I'm just basically looking at what I've got and then adding it on and just having a bit of fun, adding my own creative flair to it. One goal that I've been trying to continue, which is luckily gone uninterrupted, is learning Python. I already knew C#, I've already done a lot of Java, but I wanted to learn something different. I've not done anything with Python before, so I decided to go for it. I wanted to talk about this one particularly because a lot of people are talking about learning something new during this time. A lot of people talk about learning, they've read about programming, but they've not actually done it. And the truth is, without that experience, you're not going to be able to learn to program. You need to actually just go in, you jump in, just go for it. To learn Python, I bought this book, Python by Example. It's really good, really recommended. The reason I chose this book is because of this 150 challenges. It's great. It's a great way of just learning through the basics, making sure you just do fully understand what is going on. I also like this book because it's very thin. I remember the book that I had to learn Java with, which was while I was at university. It was like a brick. It was huge. I remember dropping it once. When I dropped it on my foot, it was very painful. The final hobby of mine, which I've not been able to continue so easily, has been attending meetups. I really enjoy attending them. I like meeting people, but all of them have been cancelled. All meetups, all conferences, all events. But fortunately, there are now more online events than ever. Last night, I watched Ministry of Testing's Ask Me Anything webinar. It was on test strategies. Here are my sketch notes. I've shared these on Twitter and LinkedIn, and I'll be sharing them on my blog as well. Tonight, I'm going to be watching another Ministry of Testing event. It's going to be featuring a talk by Lee Rathbone. And on Friday, I'm going to be taking part in an online lean coffee session, which I'm very excited about. So really, I think the real important thing is that just you can still do that networking. You can still share ideas, even though we can't physically see each other. We can still share ideas and suggestions. If you hear something interesting, share it on social media. Get people thinking. Get people talking. There is still a community out there, and we can still contribute to it. Ultimately, social distancing just doesn't mean not talking to each other. So share your ideas. I can't wait to hear them.